In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Darktable. Keeping Darktable current ensures you get the newest features, camera support, and important bug fixes, and the update process is quick and safe for your existing edits. Start by checking what the latest release actually is. Visit the official Darktable releases page to see the most up-to-date version number. Think of something like 5.4.0 as of late 2025. Knowing the exact version helps you confirm you're downloading the newest build for your operating system. Now let's grab the installer. Head to darktable.org and open the Downloads section. If you're on Windows, download the newest Windows installer, the .exe file for the latest version. Once the download finishes, run it. The installer will overwrite your current Darktable with the new version, but it won't remove your edits or your database. That's by design, so you can update with confidence. If Darktable is open while you start the installer, close it so the files can be updated cleanly, then continue with the setup as you normally would. If you're using macOS, you'll do essentially the same thing from the Downloads page. Download the newest macOS build and install it like any other app update. Just choose the latest version available for macOS and follow the standard installation prompts. Your existing edits and settings remain intact here as well. On Linux, you have flexible options depending on how you originally installed Darktable. Update through your distribution's package manager if that's what you used before, or update through Flatpak or AppImage. Using your package manager, Flatpak, or AppImage lets you move to the latest release without changing how Darktable is set up on your system. Different distributions may take a little time to publish the newest package, while Flatpak and AppImage often make it easy to grab the latest build quickly. To recap the flow, check the latest version on the official releases page so you know what you're aiming for. Then download the newest build from darktable.org's Downloads page for Windows or Mac OS, or update via your package manager, Flatpak, or AppImage on Linux. When you run the Windows installer, it simply replaces the old version without touching your edits, and the same safe behavior applies on Mac OS and Linux through their respective update methods. That's all you need to keep Darktable up to date. With each release, you get improvements without losing any work, and the process stays straightforward, no matter which operating system you use.